Listen, take this money. Run to the market. I'm not talking about this market close by. The one by Abraka Junction. Get me crocodile egg.
Eh? Madam? Madam, which kind of thing be this one now? You don't become apprentice for native doctor. Which one be crocodile? If I could give me sack later now.
Does it look like I'm smiling with you?
Which one be crocodile?
Shut up! Keep quiet. Are you the only one who doesn't know that I have injury on my leg? And crocodile egg is what you use in treating severe injury. You don't know.
Severe injury? I mean, make I see that kind of injury. Severe. Make I see on my leg.
Come and look at it.
Eh?
My friend, run off and go and get me what I asked you to. What is even wrong with you?
Madam, which kind of message be this one? Where I won't go see? Okay, I beg you where they buy them before. Which market did they see them? Where they always go for later?
Your grandmother's grave is just behind the house. Go there. Seek her attention. Let her tell you where the market is. Run to the market and get me crocodile egg. Hey. And make sure you get that crocodile egg. If you don't see it, just keep rolling around town until you get. Don't come back to this house if you don't see it.